What's up, y'all? Here with my kitty cat. I'm gonna play probably just one Blitz game. Last video I kept moving this screen around, so this time I'm gonna try to remember to edit it. Oh, okay. I don't know this variation at all. I don't see any reason not to screw up his pawn structure. It's true he gets he's gonna get the center, so maybe that wasn't so wise, but oh well, live and learn if you're lucky. D4 probably. Huh. Maybe here. Target this. That's unexpected. Maybe A5, A4? No. Oh, why not? I feel like this is unusual. I feel like A5 is not the best yet. I feel like you do that, but I guess this whole. I'm actually gonna retreat now. Maybe play Queen B6. This bishop is bad, but this structure looks pretty good for me actually. Can't play E5 anytime soon. He's got 3 on. I don't have 1 defending. I need squares. I think now I actually can play E5. Yeah, probably not. Probably I can't. Probably just gonna lose that pawn, but have some compensation, maybe. Yeah. I feel like he should have taken with the knight, not the pawn. Now it looks like I'm just getting it. He's defending twice, I'm attacking 3 times. He can't defend it again. I feel good about this position. Okay, reasonable. But I'm just gonna be brave and take. I don't see maybe H3 works here. No, I don't see why H3 works. Okay. Yeah, I'm just pawn up. Wait, I'm not a pawn up. What am I talking about? Okay. I'm fine. Turning to Tweed the queens have a better pawn structure. Yeah, let's Tweed those queens. Force him to get off the open file if he wants to defend this guy. And yeah, I think he's just not necessarily losing that pawn, but have a good position. Pretty confident I'm not going to lose this. Pretty confident I'm going to win this. Have more time also. Yeah, it's a good square for his knight in here. Okay. Am I missing something? Is there any reason not to take that? Am I going to get this piece trapped? I don't think so. I don't buy it. Okay, sure, sure. Let's hit the rook. Oh, right. I should have seen that. But it's fine. A little annoying, but not the end of the world. I don't know why I was so confident I was going to win. I don't think it was really based on anything. Shh. Oh man, I'm taking care of my ex-girlfriend's pigeon. Yeah, she's got a pet pigeon. It's annoying. Annoying beast. Alright, just gotta make sure there's no sacrifices, but the rooks defend each other. Sure, reasonable. A little bit annoying, to be honest. Maybe there are tricks. Knight takes, rook takes, and then rook takes b4. And he's pretty much evens the time playing field. And this is hit, and he's going to have a passed pawn, maybe some variations. Yeah, that's also reasonable. Here, it also looks bad, and I think I just have to push the pass pawn and hope for the best. That is a strong pass pawn. Push, push, right here. Get rid of these circles. Okay, I have an immediate threat on the rook. Gonna have to deal with that. I should just take it. Maybe. Gets the rook off sides anyway. Problem is if I play this rook over, he has this rook over. You know, if I want to play rook here, check. Let's get rid of those arrows. I did that by just going back and moving forward move, by the way. I find that's a lot quicker than trying to undraw the arrows in a game situation. Should probably be thinking instead of talking. Oh, I'm curious what the objective measurement, objective analysis of this position is. Waiting for me? Maybe, probably. Feels good. Oh, he's gonna come back here. That's okay. Maybe he's trying to draw now. I don't know if he can. Maybe I could trade and come here. Check. Or not to check. I think not to check. Oh, okay. So this is a moment to take time. I think attacking the knight is better. I'll play rook here probably, and then rook a to, or yeah, no, rook a, just beat rook to c8. I think it's good now his rook is pinned actually, so I can just attack the knight. Yeah, I think I win. Yeah, what's the plan, Stan? Let's just take that. Okay, cool. We'll analyze that later. Let's play one more. Here's my precious Basil. You see her? She's my baby. Who's my baby? Okay. We are whites. I like Sicilians. Don't always win with white in the Sicilian, but I know the C3 Sicilian better than all my other white openings combined. This variation's a little annoying though. Knight F3's gotta be the move. To split knight c3, but that's probably garbage. If you want to trade queens, let's do it. I'm up in development. White's gonna have a tiny edge there. Any other move is just wasting his time. That makes sense. Stopping knight here. Ugh, see, this is why I hate throwing arrows. It's non-intuitive. There we go. Yeah, let's develop. Yeah, so it's nice my pieces are dominating his pieces. This knight has no good squares. So this knight comes to c6, I'll just take it. Okay, that's very reasonable. Should castle. Okay, reasonable. Let's do this actually. Trying to remove the guard. If he defends the bishop with a rook. Okay, he's gonna let me double his pawns. And I like the look of it. Okay, sure, he's got the two bishops, but his position is very holy. But I still have to win. Probably not winning here. This bishop is irritating and unopposed. This kind of lame move to try to trade his bishop. If I go knight here, I don't think that's good at all. I'm just fixing his pawns. So this is kind of annoying. If I move the knight, he can double my pawns, and then I'm the one with the worst structure. But I think that's the lesser of the evils here. Yeah, I don't think I really have anything here. I think he should take this knight. Although, arguably, this knight is pretty bad over here. And it's pinned to the A pawn. Or am I going to go knight c1? I don't know about that. If I take his bishop, then I definitely... I don't want to say don't have anything. He's got an isolated pawn, but I don't have much. And this bishop on a7 is annoying. It's a good piece. Okay. Counterattacking my bishop, eh? I don't like that move. I think this is a good reply. I guess knight here could be annoying. Maybe it would have been better to take this bishop first. Okay, he defends, but... Yeah, this knight is kind of solid here. But maybe I could kick it. No. This has this. Rook here, rather, if knight takes bishop, pawn takes f4. Well, f4 is also not possible. That's how I lost a lot of money in Washington Square Park. These punk asses taking my king. It's not possible online. That was stupid. I should have taken the bishop first, and I'm just losing a pawn. Okay, he could also do that first. This helps me, but he can take the pawn now. I have no compensation. Well, let's not be too hasty. I do have a lot of pieces around this king. Yeah. I think he's making the wrong moves here. Yeah, these two knights around the weakened king, but there's no way to do a rook lift because he's threatening to trade. Getting low on time now. Let's get this guy out of here. Sure, sure. Getting out of the pin. This diagonal is safe. Oh, that's more than a little annoying. God damn it. Well, does this knight get trapped? Probably. I think I'm winning now, but I only have a minute. Okay, let's not let you do that. Oh yeah, let's not do that. It's a little tricky. Okay, if I don't run out of time, I'll win. Knight still has no moves. His bishop is nice here. Can't reinforce with g4 because then this falls. But nicely, can't come here because the knight protects that square. Okay, now he's getting kind of low on time too. Pretty happy with the way this turned out. Okay, makes sense. Oh, could have done this before. Let's do it now. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh man, this is a nice situation. Now he's going to be two pieces down. Just back off. Why not? No. Okay, I'm kind of making junk moves now. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. But the important thing is not to screw this up. And the most important thing is to not lose on time. Okay, let's just get rid of the rook. And let's not stalemate him. Okay, ran out of time. Oh, it would have been nice if he came here, check, and then mate with the rook. Okay, cool. So we won two. Let's analyze them in reverse order. And move my face down out of the way. Computer likes knight e2. It's only been played 8 times out of thousands and thousands. Yeah, no reason not to take with the queen. You could argue this is kind of drawish, but it's symmetrical, and white has a knight in the center. Yeah, maybe castling queenside was better in retrospect because I had to play this lame move. And I guess I didn't have to, but I was worried about rook e8 for some reason. Bishop d6 I didn't consider. I don't like it. Yeah, nothing much going on. And bishop f3 made a lot of sense. This is kind of, yeah, maybe this is misguided. Okay, I have a shot at this. He plays king g7. That's the end of that. This at least, you know, puts pressure. Yeah, and it says totally equal. Okay. And bishop g4 makes sense. Getting this rook off of here, and then these pieces are a bit loose. f3 can't be played because of the pin. I thought he would take. And this is also equal. Yeah, I was worried about this. It's just annoying. Oh wait, never mind. This is hit, so we can't do that right away. Yeah, no, I'm blundering a2, although somehow it's still equal. Yeah, king f1 felt like a mistake, like I'm walking into the fire. Yeah, h3. I didn't see this knight move here. Oh, yep, I see it now. I see without being prompted by the engine. I mean, I see that the engine says rook d1, and I'm like, why does that work? Well, yeah, if, oops, so h3 was a blunder. I mean, f3 was a blunder. No. Yeah, because if takes here, and I'm losing a piece. So that's why that was a mistake. Fortunately, he didn't see that. And surprisingly, I'm not winning. Oh, this makes sense because he can't take with a rook. Yes, he can take with a rook. Oh, no, he can't take with a rook because of mate. Oh, this is what was played. So why is he okay here? Ooh, bishop b8. We both missed that one. And I can't play g3 to defend because that drops this. Okay, this little backwards move. I think if you watch this whole, what'll probably be a half-hour video or more, yeah, little backward move. People get attached to their bishop here, but whoopsie, and I'm not winning a piece. But if he doesn't see that, yeah, now I'm winning a piece. And yeah, this was nice. Or was it? How does a rook d5 save the day? What if I just go here? Oh, right. No, I can't do that. Yeah, the computer is full of tricks. I mean, not so much tricks to save this game, but instead, yeah, I'm sure I missed faster wins. But the important thing is to not lose on time and to not F this up. And I'm sure in the end position I have a forced mate. Yeah, mate in 3. Oh, pretty one at that. Cool. Alright, let's look at the next one. We're on black here, King's Indian attack, which I don't really know. Yeah, it doesn't like this. King in the center. Wow, almost +2. Also with white scoring really well. Yeah, this is awkward. Okay, I'm by it. +2. E5 is okay. Yeah, knight. He should have played knight takes. And probably I'm not winning the pawn back, right? Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm winning the pawn back. He has some structural problems, but he also has a ton of pawns steamrolling me. So yeah, d takes. Oh, okay, sacrifices like this. Why is that so good? C5. Oh yeah, knight takes. Knight takes is impossible because queen here wins the knight. So therefore I'm very constricted. My king is open on the bishop, cool. But he just took it. And now yeah, h3. I was worried about h3. Is it really that bad? Can't play knight takes knight because then knight takes and my queen is hit and the knight is hit. And if I go back here, oh yeah, and again knight f3. Queen e3? Is that what it said? Queen e3? Oh, queen e3, not d3. Problem. Oh, this is a big problem. The knight is a big problem. It has no moves. Okay, so that was very bad. This was a very poor game on my part. But now I can trade queens. And he just gives me a pawn for no reason. Still managed to screw this up. D4. B1. Whoopsie. So maybe I was a little casual about taking that pawn. Yeah, this is another nice, I like this rook maneuver. It's domination theme, the pawn and the 2 rooks. Kill the knight. Yeah, that's cool. That's worth remembering. But instead he goes after it this way. Still white has a huge edge. Oh yeah, this is a horrible game. Wow. Just blundering all over the place. Really, really bad. Okay. But he just has a one-track mind. He's going after the knight. Again, knight f6 wins. Again, knight f6 wins. But yeah, he just had his heart set on this. Yeah, in a blitz game. I mean, in a slower game, I'm sure he would have seen knight f6. But I'm still losing. Yeah, and yeah, knight takes f7. I saw this in the game. And yeah, bad situation. Whether I take or don't take, it's very bad. But fortunately, he didn't see that. Now I figure I'm still much worse, but at least I can run the pawn. Figured I had to take that. A3. And how does he save this knight? Knight b6 right away. And he's going to round that guy up, I guess. Let's look. Oh, well, he has his own threats. Yeah. White is holding off this pawn. He has his own pawn. He has an extra pawn. He has a strong knight. Who knows? Maybe it's a draw with perfect play. But perfect play is not what you're going to get in a 5-minute game, especially among players below 2600. Okay, let's get back to the game. So instead he goes after my pawn. Yeah, you kind of got to push your own advantage. Get the rook out of the way, get the rooks back. If he has 2 rooks here and the pawn's queening on a dark square, I don't see how I'm pushing it through. And now I'm winning. No, I'm not winning, huh? Yeah, well, I guess this is more direct. Just gonna trade, and put my other rook, take this, go here, I guess. But yeah, no. Yeah, either my move or the check works. And yeah, just pin and win. And that's the end of that. So yeah, this first game I played was pretty garbage. Second game was pretty good, I would say. Anyway, thanks for watching. I don't think I'm going to be making a video a day or anything, but just felt like making some videos as of late. Maybe I will stream. I don't have Twitch, but maybe I'll make a YouTube of my friend David's chesslessons.com tournament, which is happening this Sunday. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.